Hello everyone. Today we have Mrs. Hashna Lumba, Principal Dalims School Varanasi with us. Ma'am, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for calling. And you want me to
Yeah.
give the feedback?
Ma'am, I would like to ask you that how can educational institute contribute more towards skill development as well as employability of the students?
Sir, as far as educational institutes are concerned, likewise, I said in my panel discussion as well, everything starts from home. So we need to give all the skills at home first of all, and then to schools. Yes, schools are responsible for making a future learner ready. So like for skills subjects के लिए, as I said, for technology is required, for equipments are required, then we should have hands-on learning, experiential learning. So there are many more factors which is responsible for making the future learner ready for giving the skill education. So skill education is should not be given through books only. It should be all practical knowledge, like we talk about these days AI, data analysis, and then coding and all. So these should be incorporated with the subjects, with the other subjects, and students should have the freedom of taking all the streams and subjects together. Like physics can be combined with history, then psychology, like these days NAP works. So like it is working like, so students, when students will have the group of subjects, it will give the child the creative thinking aspects, problem solving, and the skills of today's generation. So that way we will make our futurepreneurs ready. So thank you, sir.
Ma'am, we have seen that we are doing really very good in terms of urban centers, but most of the country lives in rural areas. So, what can we do as an educational institute as well as on a governmental level that these policies can be taken up to the village levels?
Same thing, sir. Government needs to take up those schools as a collaboration, and where they are unable to provide such education or such technology in the rural area or village area, there we need a collaboration with government, and government needs to see that they need to find out that what are the schools and what are the areas where they are lacking. They might not be having computers, parents won't be able to give them, provide them laptops, computers. They have mobile, but whatever possible resources they have, they need to begin with that so that they should not suffer.
Thank you so much for being with us, ma'am. We would like to have you again and again in the
Thank
future.
you so much. Thank you so much.